How to use effect on TikTok Live. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open TikTok app on your phone. Now tap on plus sign on the bottom. Then you want to scroll in the bottom to the live. After that, here you want to tap on effect just above go live. You can choose any of the effect that you like, and you can also scroll through them, and you can also change their categories, choosing green screen and selecting this effect. After that, I'm going to put any of the picture as my live picture and then tap on go live to go and see new people on TikTok. After that, to change effect from here, tap on effect on the bottom right corner, tap on effect again, and you can change effect from here as well. And that is how you'll be able to change effects on TikTok and put effect on TikTok Live. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.